So I got a lot of requests to make a video on a TV's features. Actually, the last video which I made, that was a journal layout, means how the things are there in that TV. But I got a lot of requests in the YouTube comments that tell me about surrounding system, tell me about the picture quality, all those things, what are the other features are there. So I am making this video to show all you this thing. So what I did right now, I just power on my TV, and on my remote I'm clicking on the button. If you see that, I'm just clicking on the button home. Yeah, so we'll go to home now. Okay, now here you can see that there are a lot of apps are there, like Netflix is there, we have Prime Video, we have Live TV, we have media, which I can tell you, like we can connect a USB and we can play that there. YouTube is there, Google Play, movies and TV, where you can rent it and you can buy the TVs, movies and the TV web series like that. Same way we have a music from Google Play Store, where you can install any app, or which any app means to say the apps which are only supported on this Kodak TV. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you, like as most of the people aware about the things, how to play the Netflix, YouTube and the other things. So let me show you a few things. Like if I go to the input, if you see, I'm just going to the input. If I click input, I can see this much of options like channels, HDMI 1, 2, 3 and aux. Okay, and this is our connected is a blue for our Wi-Fi connection. And these settings where we can do like our connection for Wi-Fi, you can see the inputs, what are the inputs you have. Okay, all those things. And 1 second, let me go to back. We have the account and sign settings, because it's Android TV, so you must have to log in with the Gmail account, so that only you can use that TV. Until you're not logged in with your Gmail account, you can't see that all the means generally like any Android phone. Okay, so these all are the apps, device preference, where you can see the about, date and time, you can select it, you can select the language, you can select the keyboard. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Keyboard is that it's a Google board, and again it's a Google board setting. You want to set it, you can change that one, how it looks to be. Okay, and the manage keyboard, as I mentioned, it's a Google voice typing also. His option is there, because the remote which comes with this TV, it has a feature to, it has a Chromecast also. So if you speak, probably I'll show you later that on. Okay, yeah. So ये चीज़ मैंने आपको दिखाई. साउंड की हम बात कर रहे थे, like surround sound and all those things. If you see system sound, जब मैं क्लिक करता हूँ, then there's options are there like auto, never use, surround sound, all those things. So ये बहुत सारी options है, इसमें आप क्लिक कर सकते हो मैनुअल में जाके, and then you can have an option or select what kind of sound you want to do, you choose. So I recommend we can go for the one which is showing as a auto, which is again the recommended by the TV manufacturer also. So storage is there, it will tell you how much storage is there. So total space, it's showing 4.3 GB, and you can see what are the apps, photos and all those things have taken the space. Like 1.5 GB has taken by the apps. तो वैसे ही कैश डाटा है वो 264 MB ले लिया है, miscellaneous 35 MB, available it's showing 2.7 GB is there. Okay, so like that. So home screen is there, you can set that home screen, whether you want to how to see that one. You can see your own screen, you can record, reorder the apps also, like you want to see YouTube up and Netflix down, so you can do the same thing here. Reorder games, means whatever the games you install, which you can play only with the mobile, or if you have the what is that, console, not console, that's the remote, not the remote, what I can say means console का जो remote होता है, that only I'm saying. If you have that one, you can install other games also. So I'll show you that one, which games you can install or which cannot. Okay, so same as the Google Assistant is there, as I shown you. Let me this is what searchable apps, all those things, save search, block, offensive, like that. Chromecast, I told you already that is so Chromecast inbuilt is there, screensaver is there, like how you want to say it. You want to see backdrop, a ton of screensaver, you want to see the colors, like that, when to start the screensaver, all those things options are there. So you can see that, or you can customize the things like that. Location, you can set it, and as I set this location, or you can use your VLAN WLAN setting to see the see your current setting. Like if you are using the broadband to connect your this TV, probably it will take your broadband IP address. With the IP address it will fetch out what in which location you are actually. So same way ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें यूज डायग्नोसिस, ये आई मैंने कभी यूज़ नहीं किया, बट आई डोंट नो मीन समथिंग लाइक दैट. सिक्योरिटी एंड रिस्ट्रिक्टेंट, ये है कुछ है लाइक वेरीफाई ऐप्स ही आपको दिखाए, सिर्फ वही इंस्टॉल करे, ये ऐसा ऑप्शन है. एक्सेसिबिलिटी में कैप्शंस, what is that captions, I don't know, something looks good, right? Yeah, white to black, black to white, black to yellow, I don't know what is that. मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया, बट बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. Okay, so let's go back, and this is the reset button. Okay, now I'll tell you one thing. If you go to the remote, there is one option is there, menu. One second, let me go to one of the YouTube. Let me go to the one of the YouTube video. So you can see here it looks yellow, but in the reality it's a red color only on the YouTube logo what we have. Okay, so let me play 4K video is okay. So let me show you. I'll into the search. There is option is there, mic. If I click on mic, just let me click on OK, then I can give my voice input like play 4K videos. So you can see that it took all that what I said, it choose that 4K option. 4K video it's showing now. Now let me play any of the video. That's good. Okay, let's see the Switzerland again. The last video also I remember I played the Switzerland only. Yeah, so you can see that how it looks. Okay, now what I want to show you, यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे तो इसमें एक ऑप्शन है मीनू में क्लिक किया तो अगर डाउन में आप देखोगे यू कैन सी दैट ऑप्शन पिक्चर्स, साउंड मोड. आई म्यूटेड दैट वन टीवी, डोंट वरी. एंड सोर्स में अगर मैं क्लिक करता हूँ तो आई कैन सी लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस लाइक HDMI 2 aux, ATV, DV, Google Play, all those things, right? The other option I can, if I click again menu, I can see sound mode. Like sound mode, I can see sound modes, movies, sport, music, and standard. Same ways, picture is like vivid. You can see. I'm not sure whether you can see the difference when I changing the options like vivid to standard to sports to user to game. Yeah, I can see the difference, but I'm not sure how you can see the difference when I'm making this video. Okay, now I can show you again. If I click on menu again and go to source, then if I select Google Play, so what happened, it will go to Google Play movies and TVs. Here you can see that it's fetching all the information now, like the videos, all those things, but it's showing no signal, right? But this is all are the, it's not a videos basically, again not of the movies, it's only the trailer which is showing, like Jumanji movies, it's showing the trailer. But now when I click menu here again, I can see lot other option which was not there before, but I'm not sure means how it is that पहले क्यों नहीं दिखाता है. When I only going to the Google Play movies and TV, then only I can see all these options, otherwise I'm not seeing this one, like game picture mode, sound mode, all those things. If I go to the game picture mode again, user, all those things are there. Sound mode, all are same thing. Sleep mode, source setup, app link, source setup. Let's see what is there. ओके, इट विल टेल। अदर थिंग ये है कि जब मैंने आपको बताया था कि वी कैन अंडर द सोर्स वी कैन चेंज इट टू द गूगल प्ले मूवीज़ एंड टीवीज। सो जब भी आप टीवी ऑन करेंगे इट विल गो डायरेक्टली देयर ओनली, लाइक इफ़ यू चेंज सोर्स टू ATV और HDMI। जब टीवी ऑन होता है तो फर्स्ट इट विल चेक दैट सोर्स ओनली। So same way, just I have powered on the TV, again it will just go there only. So you have to come out from there and want to see anything on the YouTube or on the Netflix or on the Play video, Prime Video. So again I have to go to the remote, okay, and I have to click on the YouTube. So you can see here it's showing now the YouTube. सराउंड सिस्टम के बारे में मैंने आपको दिखा दिया है, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंस देयर, एंड लेट मी सी इफ़ आई कैन सी एनीथिंग फॉर द वीडियो क्वालिटी ऑल्सो। ओके, लेट्स प्ले दिस वीडियो ओनली। ओके, लेट्स मी click on the menu again. Okay, if you see, I'm not seeing all those options here. So those options I'm getting, like more options, all those options I'm getting when I am in Google Play Movies and TV. मुझे मालूम नहीं है कि ये ऐसे ही काम करता है और ये कुछ इसमें इशू है, क्योंकि वो सराउंड सिस्टम का ऑप्शन वो सब इसमें आना चाहिए, राइट? दिस इज़ व्हाट माई थिंकिंग इज़। ओके, लेट मी गो टू द होम पेज अगेन, गो टू बैक. If I go to the settings again, under TV settings, see those options are not here now. So वो option तभी आता है when you are in the Google Play TV, Google Play Movies and TV. So that I'm not sure why it is that, why you are getting that more option, like to change your sound bar, surrounding system, TV, all those things. Why those options are not coming when you are playing TV or something else? Okay, so these lot of things are there. Okay, still it is not showing. Okay, leave it. Okay, we'll go one thing. I'll show you one thing. So under the if you go to the, let me show you something in the Google Play Store. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of things are there which you can install it. Actually, this Red TV, this you can install. Red Bull TV, Neverthink, Tubi, lot of things are there which you can install. Some of are really free. You can just install it and you can watch anything there. Like these are the feature app which you can install it, like ESPN also you can install it, like nothing else. Was thousands of live events, show all those things. You have just simply click on the install option, which is, I'm not sure whether you can see here. Yeah, here you can see install option, and once you install it you can see this icon, ESPN icon, under the apps option where you can play it. Okay, and you can open it and you can play it the same way, like Z5 is there, Max Player is there, Zio Cinema is there. Okay, let me see what is there. Zio Cinema. So Zio Cinema is clearly mentioned exclusively for Jio users. So जिसके पास जियो का कनेक्शन है वही आई थिंक प्ले कर सकता है, मेरे पास नहीं है, सो आई कांट प्ले इट. सो मुझे इंस्टॉल करने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. Now same way, these are the games, few games like Dead Trigger 2. Okay, so इट्स शोइंग क्लियरली गेम पैड रिक्वायर्ड. अगर आप देख सकते हैं तो इट बोल रहा है लास्ट में गेम पैड रिक्वायर्ड, तो इसको इंस्टॉल करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. सो सेम वे इफ़ आई सी क्रॉसी रोड के लिए भी गेम पैड रिक्वायर्ड है. सेम वे लेट मी चेक अदर एनी अदर. Okay, maybe we'll try this Red Bull. Okay, so this doesn't require, Red Ball 4 doesn't require gamepad, which we can play with our TV remote also. So I can install it and I can play it. There are a few screenshots are there which you can see how this works actually. So if you see this screenshots looks good, you can install it. It's just like some how it looks when you play it. all, nothing else. So there is a few VLC. This VLC Android is required when you need to play anything from your USB drive, and these are the Kodi. Hell lot of apps are there. वही ऐप्स इंस्टॉल्ड होंगे जो इसमें सपोर्टेड है. मैंने पहले बताया है, आप अगर सर्च करोगे और नहीं मिला तो इट मीन्स वो इसमें सपोर्टेड नहीं है, इसलिए नहीं दिखा रहा है आपको. सो वही ऐप्स दिखाएगा जो इसमें सपोर्टेड हैं, राइट. सो स्ट्रीम द म्यूज़िक लव, इसमें बहुत सारे हैं, मैंने भी इंस्टॉल किया था. एक ऐप मैंने भी इंस्टॉल किया जिसमें यू कैन सी द लिरिक्स ऑल्सो. ओके, यू कैन चेंज दैट व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यू वांट टू सी. लाइफस्टाइल के लिए, स्पोर्ट्स के लिए, न्यूज़ मैगजीन, प्रोडक्टिविटी, एजुकेशन. इफ़ यू सी एजुकेशन, व्हाट इज़ देयर अंडर द एजुकेशन? सो यू सी लर्न इंग्लिश वर्ड, स्मार्ट टीचर, लर्न फ्रेंच, लर्न अमेरिकन इंग्लिश, लर्न बंगाली वर्ड, लर्न स्पेनिश वर्ड, लर्न जर्मन. बहुत सारे हैं जो आप सीख सकते हो, ठीक है. ओके, नाउ अभी मैं दोबारा गूगल प्ले मूवीज़ एंड टीवी प्ले किया है. सो यू कैन सी दैट I'm going back to the menu. Here I can see all other options which I was not seeing when I was in YouTube or in Prime. So ये difference है यहाँ पे. I am not sure कि ये क्यों है, but अगर कोई बता सकता है तो well and good, कमेंट में बता सकते हैं. So मैंने वो मोर में गया, TV settings में दोबारा गया. So I can show you something related to the picture mode. Okay, picture mode में बहुत सारा है. Sharpness you can do it, change it. गामा एज आई मेंशन यू कैन चेंज इट. एडवांस वीडियो में ऑप्शंस हैं लाइक लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स नीड टू बी फिगर आउट एक्चुअली. बहुत कुछ है जो आप चेक कर सकते हो. सो DTS सराउंड ट्रू साउंड का तो मैंने आपको बता ही दिया था, मैंने अभी इनेबल करके रखा हुआ है. स्पीकर है, ठीक है. देन SPDIF डिले, आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट इज दैट. Audio type is normal and visually impaired. Okay, it should be normal. I think ये जो आप बोल रहे हो और जो देख रहे हो वो दोनों मैच होना चाहिए. समथिंग रिलेटेड टू दिस आई बिलीव. ओके, सेटअप फास्ट बूट चाहिए, ऑटो स्टैंड बाई चाहिए. शॉप मोड क्या है आपका, सब टाइटल लैंग्वेज, ऑडियो लैंग्वेज, टैली टैक्स, HDMI 2 सेटिंग्स, ऑल दोज थिंग्स. और इसमें एक ऑप्शन है प्लीज़ एंटर पासवर्ड. एंटर पासवर्ड दैट इज़ अ पेरेंटियल, मीन्स अगर आपके घर में कोई छोटा बच्चा है और आप नहीं चाहते कि वो ये टीवी देखे, कुछ ऐसा देखे, तो यू कैन सेट द पासवर्ड ऑल्सो. दैट इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन. सो यू कैन सी, यू कैन सेट द पासवर्ड हेयर, राइट. सो लेट मी गो टू द यूट्यूब एंड आई विल शो यू सम ऑफ द ऑडियो क्वालिटी हाउ इट लुक्स वंस. ओके, नाउ सराउंड सिस्टम के साथ आपको मैं एक साउंड क्वालिटी सुनाता हूँ. लेट मी प्ले वन सॉन्ग. ऑडियो 27, 28, 30. ओके, थोड़ा आगे कर देता हूँ फॉरवर्ड. ओके, थैंक्स गाय. आई बिलीव बहुत कंटेंट अभी आज मैंने इस वीडियो में ऐड कर दिया है. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर आवर यूट्यूब चैनल. थैंक यू.